This is Mark Kim with OrientWatchUSA.com bringing to you CFH01001W on my wrist, 1D, and 1B. It comes in 3 colored varieties, as you can see, in white, blue, and black. This is an automatic semi-skeleton. It's got 3 Arabic numerals for the hour indexes, the 12, the 3, and the 6. Remainder are triangles. Now what's great is a power reserve indicator located in the 12 o'clock position. That's basically the fuel gauge of the mainspring. And the second hand is displayed as a smaller little hand closer to the 6 o'clock position. Notice how the bezel is finished, and the side of the case is also. Let me go ahead and show you what the profile of this case looks like. Notice that it sits very thin. Looking at the dial again, the exhibition hole is right over the balance wheel. The back has an exhibition case back, as you can see, and the clasp has the Orient logo on it. It has a fold-away dual button release clasp. This is CFH01001W.